Why do some sellers prefer to sell their house for cash? Let's take a look at this list. You know, sometimes sellers like to just sell cash, not sell it on the market, and let's just take a look at some of the reasons why. Sellers want to sell fast to avoid costly repairs that are just too expensive to fix, and maybe they ran out of money and they just don't have the time or the money to take care of the property. So because of that, usually what they do is they will start looking for options to sell the property, and it's not in retail shape, so usually that means they have to just sell it, get rid of it. So they're just looking to sell the property now, sell it fast, and sell it for cash. Another reason sellers could sell their property for cash could be because they inherited the property and they don't live next to it, and they just simply don't want to deal with it, right? So they basically got a property, they inherited it, they already live in a house, and they're like, I don't want nothing to do with this property. Can somebody just buy this cash? On mortgage payments, and if they fall behind on mortgage payments, you know, they're looking at foreclosures. If they're looking at being possibly foreclosed on, what they can typically do is just find an investor that is willing to buy the house cash